Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lyons Den. This video, I would like to show you this 1933 replica that I acquired with its actual box, the sleeve, the actual box it comes in with sticker, Z33 1933 style lighter. Has some of the paperwork. More paperwork there. You can see 1933 replica, first release. They never had a second release, so these are the only ones available. And it's the same as the other replicas. It just has little panels applied to the outside with a regular 5-barrel hinge. Regular Zippo insert from XIV, which is a 1998 insert. And I've been wanting one of these to go for my collection, well, to go with my collection for quite a while. I got it a few months back, just decided to make a video on it now. And the reason I wanted one is because I have the 32 replica, little rough shape, original 1932 replica. Same design. Can't really read the insert much on this one, that's how worn and used it was. I don't have an original box for it, so I kind of customized a tin for it. And then I also have the 1932 replica second release Camel cigarettes version. That one has XIII insert, which would be 1997. And these are just, I believe, like a pewter plate on the top. It was all dirty in that, so I kind of shined her up, buffed it out a little bit, make it look nice. And since I had those two, that's why I decided to get the 1933 replica. And it makes a nice little set for the collection. So thank you for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for tuning in.